Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Escape interior lights not working issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Interior lights not working in the Ford Escape are commonly described as dome lights, map lights, or cargo lights failing to turn on, operating intermittently, or not responding to door opening or switch input. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive body electronics data indicate that interior lighting concerns can occur across multiple Ford Escape model years, with relevance depending on body control system design, lighting circuit configuration, and electrical condition. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves blown fuses or power supply interruption. Interior lighting circuits rely on dedicated fuses, and an open fuse can prevent lights from receiving power. Another confirmed cause relates to door ajar switch or latch sensor behavior. These sensors signal the body control system to activate interior lights when doors open, and incorrect input can prevent illumination. Body control module command logic is also a documented factor. The module manages interior lighting timing and activation, and stored faults or abnormal inputs can inhibit light operation. Interior light switch or dimmer control position is another verified consideration. Incorrect dimmer settings or a faulty switch can disable interior lighting unintentionally. Wiring or ground integrity is an additional confirmed aspect. Loose connections, damaged wiring, or poor grounding can interrupt current flow to interior light assemblies. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent battery disconnection affecting module behavior, moisture intrusion in overhead consoles, or previous interior repairs disturbing wiring. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include checking and replacing fuses, verifying door switch or latch sensor input, scanning the body control module for fault codes, inspecting dimmer and light switches, and testing wiring and ground connections. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and body electronics specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Escape interior light issues are resolved through fuse replacement, switch correction, or sensor-related repairs rather than control module replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, electrical configuration, and vehicle condition. In conclusion, Ford Escape interior lights not working concerns are typically linked to fuse or power issues, door sensor input behavior, body control module logic, switch or dimmer settings, or wiring integrity. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.